Namaste fellow coders, welcome back to Code to Compete, the ultimate destination for unlocking the coder's edge. I am your host Kunal Yadav and today we have got an exciting tutorial lined up for you. We will be diving into the world of version control as we explore how to start a new repository and publish it to GitHub. So buckle up and let's get started. We will be using two tools, Git and GitHub. So make sure you have Git installed in your local system and have one account on GitHub. Okay, so let's get started. On your local system, create a folder. I will name it CTC demo. CTC means code to compete. And then drop your content here, right? So I will use VS Code for that. I will open this folder with VS Code. Right now my folder is blank, so I will add a file in it. I would say python.py. I will add a simple statement. Hello, welcome to Code to Compete. In the same manner, you can add your all contents in this folder, and once you have added that, just open CMD for that. Okay, command line interface. So I will go with integrated terminal of VS Code, and the first command that you have to run is git init. So this command basically initialize git repository. Okay, and you can see that when you go to your local system working directory, you will see a .git folder there. That means your git is initialized. So it is a hidden folder, so make sure you have checked your hidden items, right? And the next one is to git add dot. So this command will add all those changes, whatever changes you have done right now, to the staging areas. Add dot. So dot means all the changes. You can specify, like if you want to only add this Python folder, you can add git add then path name. But I want all those changes to be added to the staging area, so I will run this command git add dot. So the next thing is to commit your changes. So for that the command is git commit and with a message. The message says that whatever changes you have done. So I will just say git commit. So it basically explains like what you have right now done what changes you have done in your code right now. Since this code may be read by someone else, so it is a good practice to write comments. Okay, so I have done my first commit. I will just click enter. So you can see it says one file changed and one insertion is done, right? Because the file is Python and the insertion is this statement. The next thing is to push this command, push this repo to a remote repository. So for that you must be having a remote repository. So let's create one. Go to your GitHub, click on new repository, give it a name. I would say demo CTC. Okay, description is optional, so I don't want to give it. I will click visibility as public. I don't want to add a readme file. I'll then click on create repository. So once you click on it, GitHub will show you some commands to run in your local system in order to push your command to remote repository. But you've already done the initialization. We don't want to add a readme file. We have committed our code. The next thing is, okay, so see what it's saying. It says change your branch name to main. So let's see what our branch name is there in local repository. For that, run a command git branch. So you see our branch name is master. So when you try to push this command, when you try to push this repository to a remote repository, so there the default branch name is main and here it's master. So it will create a new branch there in the remote repository. So we don't want to do that. So we will run this command. So this will basically change our current branch name to main. You can check that. See, it's from before it was master, now it has changed to main. Okay, now it says how it is add to remote. Now it's to add the remote origin. Like this is our remote repository, so we will add our origin here. The command is git remote add origin, and this is the URL of your repository. So once you click on it, now the next thing is to post your code to remote repository, right? So for that the command is git push, but when you're doing for the first time, you need to specify which branch, where, and few settings. So this is your branch name main, where is this origin, and this hyphen u indicates the git to keep a track between your local and remote repository, so that the next time when you push something, you just type git push and it will automatically understand that our origin is this and our branch is this one, right? So for that, hyphen u is included in this command. So once I run it, for me it will succeed, but in your if you are doing for the first time, it may ask you for an authentication, right? So you can either go by just providing a username and password of GitHub, or else you can add an SSH authentication. So that would be better, so you can go for that. So let's refresh our remote repository and see. You can now see that your Python file is uploaded to this newly created repository in GitHub. So we have successfully uploaded our local files to a remote repository, right? I hope you find this tutorial valuable, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Remember, at Code to Compete, we are all about analyzing the coder's edge. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in future videos, feel free to drop them in the comment below. Until next time, happy coding. This is Kunal Yadav signing off from Code to Compete. Keep coding, keep competing, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.